Rockets fast, scooters slow. Will we bounce? Nobody knows. Greater market starts to turn. Even Pickle has a look of concern. Green or red, it's the way.
You guys, sorry about that. I reckon I had to get some lunch and then Ryan, I get back to stream. The market was dying. Crazy. Longing at MHP. What's up, guys? Sorry about that. Maybe also the exterminator's here and I had to like take care of some stuff. It took a little longer than I thought. Sorry about that. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to the afternoon stream, friends. What a day, what a day, what a day. All right, so yeah, MHP, grab the dip. Had some casualties, but we're good. Let me get everything started here. Alright. New fan on the screen. I grabbed an HP, close out there, bought again at 21, 2 contracts, now secure. Everything else is doing okay. I had this account is actually down like 3 grand, so I'm digging out of the hole on that one. It got chaotic pretty damn fucking quick. That kind of sucks. Alright. Got some runners up here, chilling on that. In case anything holds, dude. Crazy. Oh boy. All right, let me give you all an update here. Things going to town here. That zapped me pretty hard. All right, this is the P&L before. All right, everybody take a look. This is the P&L before. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, blah, 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 blah. All right, and here's where we are now. It got a little crazy. It got a little crazy, but my big account, oh my god, we had some casualties. One of the Tradeifys got the shit beat out of it. So did that one. This one's flat. But I got 7,000 on this one, 2,001, 111. So there we go. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, the big account, 7 grand. I hit it with 10 contracts again and closed out. It's been chaotic. All right, so this is what we're working with. I got some contracts here at Bull Zone, just something small. Hedge pressure hold. We'll see if that happens. One of the Tradeifys took a huge hit though, and I was like 4,000. I'm done with that one. It's pretty my limit on that one. So I don't want to lose any more on that. At least keep some of the accounts off the table. But this is still greenish, I would say. That was pretty damn green, I think. But fucking day, man. All right, we'll see how it goes. All right, anyways. Yeah, and I come back from lunch after talking to the exterminator and wrapping up everything and eating my lunch. And I come back and I'm like, oh, market's dying. I'm like, got to get everything situated here. Were I shorting? Oh, no, not this. I just let the market fall and bought MHP and DD band all stacked up on top of each other. This morning when I said expected crash, remember what I wrote this right here? Expected and crash. And when we lost it, boy, we crashed, right? So I got the long trade right at the next support. Is the next place I want to play at. So I got just a couple of contracts long from this this area just to hold, just in case it turns around. Nothing that's going to kill me. Couple Nasdaq contracts each. S&P, MHP. It's looking solid. Boy, what an afternoon. Thought it was going to be kind of a crummy market day, but whatever. Let me get something good. I love that FundedNext is like offerings for you guys, by the way. FundedNext had a huge release today. They are changing a couple of things. Their prices just got lower on the legacy accounts. And the price on the Rapids got slightly more expensive for the 25 and 50s, but not for the 100s. Those actually also got cheaper. Legacy now went no DLL permanently. So essentially no DLL, uncapped payouts is the new, you know, essentially the best prop account that there is in all of prop. So very exciting to see like them make that a permanent offering, man. That's pretty swell. Oh man, we get some like rally up of this. Become nice. MHP holding the day would be pretty stellar. Market, please don't die today. Hold the line, don't fade away. What do y'all think we get today, y'all? What you think? Think we hold? All right, hopefully it's slow down for the day, so we'll see. All right, so today I'm looking at MHP support, which is hold on, actually MHP dynamic support. We're also in liquidity pocket today, which is a pretty solid grab that dip supported here, and hopefully we swing up. Its probability is much lower though with MHP res less than 0. I'm not super eager about this. The magnitude of my trades right now are pretty much runner level, not really like putting too much like big trade into this. LP is good support. This is good support. Now, again, with the resilience being negative, obviously smaller trades more appropriate. I probably should just do one, but I'm going to take 2 on this one anyways. This account is down like 3 grand. So I'm kind of like, well, I might as well. I got some room to play on this one. Oh my goodness. Pickle almost had a cowboy hat? Really? Wait, what happened? Let's not have the market freaking crash today. That'd be so sad. Yeah, right to go back to like my computer. I'm sitting down like watching this market just hit pandemonium. I'm glad that we did get a flush. It would have been kind of nice. It was a little bit of a fight to dig out of this one though, obviously having some casualties. Like that's pretty much my limit on some of these accounts. You know, as I'm trading the bigger with the buffer, I try to keep it between $2,000 to $3,000 of loss, give or take. And this one's down roughly like close to 4,000 as well. So this one's 28 minus whatever that loss is. So I'm like 4,000 to be about my limit on some of these before I kind of pull the plug on it. And these are doing like somewhat okay. We're trying to make these guys do okay. But we'll see. Yeah, this is looking pretty gnarly. Hopefully, a liquidity pocket hold would be really nice. So this market continues to fall out, that'd be sucky. But we did have the VIX evidence, and I told you guys it could be like weeks before this thing turns around. But today, VVIX above 100. It's pretty gnarly. Not necessarily a catalyst yet. We're still sort of I think it's, let me double check the numbers here. Cat active. S&P 5750 off of the sort of start of the move. I would qualify that from about here. So right about 6700 is about the cat active line. So just kind of keep that in mind. Hopefully we get a decent run from this. We'll see if anything comes out of this one. It was kind of nice and hopeful to see some hedge pressure bounces here, but and brutal stuff. This is a good setup for long side. Like it was earlier, I'm still kind of hoping for something like this to stay. DD band holds, ratio's good. We'll see. We shall see. If this one loses, this one gets down to about 1500, I'll trim the one and then I'll let it run another 5. I'm trading here, allowing some volatility. Keeping it chill. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button, friends. Thank you for joining the afternoon stream. I have a big career. Wow, 600 people already. All right. Thanks for waiting patiently, though, by the way. iDoc and I did our experiment. We were invaded by fire ants last couple of days. It was crazy. Be like another heartbreaking day. Hopefully not. This is dynamic hedge pressure though. This is not the hedge from liquidity map. This is dynamic. We don't want to see this happen today. It's kind of like the worst. Hopefully this is a strong. So let me delete the expected crash. So in general, like right now, this is the point of no return. So this is like expected to hold here. Which is why I'm still taking the stab here. For at least the bigger support up to there. You can VF this entire thing today. VIX fight dies down. Let me double check the UVXY. And shit hit the fan a little bit with MH pre-break on VIX. You got all the lights are starting to turn red now, so a little dangerous environment to trade in. Like I said, if when in doubt, just sit out. I am going to take the risk. I think that it's definitely worth it. It may not be the best trade, but anything down here is really bad. If we lose this, the S&P goes all the way to 92. So we have a big sort of possible drop off from here. I'm not going to like, really put too much faith in trying too hard with this one. It's still inching lower, which I don't like. All morning we were just press, plunge. Are we plunging some more? We'll see. So cat active on NASDAQ, that's going to be a little bit worse. Let me find the risk interval level on the platform. NASDAQ is going to be 207.75. From here, roughly, yeah, so we got cat active right at the bottom. So if we count the starting point of the NASDAQ move today, 207 is going to be 25.802. 802. Cat is active literally right here on the edge. So the expected move is, again, cat active 802. So we know the rule. Below cat, it can speed up, right? So this is the caution point right here. I always tell you guys, cat active. Market dead, right? Catalyst speeds up. This could be the starting point of a bigger move. Catalyst. Bad news. It's one risk interval down off the anchor point. And I always take the bet on the edge that the market doesn't fall apart. And while it is trying to, boy, it's going to get bad if it does. So, I guess I'm going to keep my loss pretty small. Contract size pretty small. Don't work out, doesn't work out. We'll see. Sector tracker isn't looking good for tech. No, not really. And let me double check while we're sitting here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button on the stream if you guys are here. I'm going to try to get something good on NVIDIA, MHP. That's great. Good. We want to see NVIDIA connecting with MHP, at least supporting there. That's good enough. Apple sucks. Apple MHP breakdown side. Amazon. MHP breakdown side. Oh, that's a bug I need to fix. When you switch tickers. Add another thing on the bug report here. Hold on. It's like crazy that I trade, I stream, I make a platform, I got to talk to developers. A million things I got to do every day. Okay. Another new bug. Say I have chart split into 1 by 2. I have chart 1 focus. Hold on, let me double check this. Chart 1 is there. Chart 2 is there. QQQ. Chart 1 focused. And I switch tickers. Chart 2. So what I'm noticing is like, look, when I go here, it's in the liquidity pocket. I have to click here and back for the liquidity map to update. That's a bug I've noticed. Like Meta, it's a BSD, or sorry, BRSD, BRSU. It's not updating until I do this and come back, and then it's the BRSU is there. So that's a bug. I'm noticing a couple bugs here and there. But then once you have it highlighted, it's like pretty good. All right, so NASDAQ, please don't die today. Give us some love. All right, it's time for some swoosh fan. There we go, baby. Let's go. So this one, once I hit my loss limit, I usually, it's a personal loss limit I set. On those, I don't do any more just so I don't take any additional risk. I don't give myself the opportunity to blow up the account. So like I won't take any additional risk beyond 4,000, give or take. So that's good. Smash the likes, y'all. All right, I'll be right back. Quick bathroom break. Y'all yell at me if it keeps crashing. Y'all come back. Ooh, green candle. Green candle. Let's go. Green candle. Ooh. What's this in my pocket that I found? Ooh, look at this. This is leftover from the gym. The thing I love about my gym is I get candy. All right. I'm so good at trading, man. Sometimes. EST every sometimes. Back in the bull zone and rough it. Okay. I'm down on some of these runners here. This one's breaking my heart today, though. I'm gonna trim these all down to runners, one contract piece. Okay. Exception of this one. This bad boy digging out of the hole. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, God. That was so good. Let's hear the tunes. All right. You asked for it. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. To get those to 500, we'll do a giveaway in just a little bit. Let's get this shit green across the board. I like how my FundedNext accounts did great. My Tradeify's not so good. The ones like, because I was trading those from my Funded TV. I go down to get lunch. In a very noobish sort of way. Then it said a stop. Didn't think I was a little overconfident. And so those two contracts just got shit on. Or whatever I had. I think it was two contracts on the stream. I got back and I was like, whoa. And I'm like, all right, let me. I was flatting like most everything, but like, I think only two or three accounts. I wasn't long in that many things. So. All right, that's pretty nice. So I basically took all my accounts that had like 2 or 3 contracts right there at the expected bounce point. Trimmed all down to runner, exception of this one has 2. Everything else is 1.
Every single time we take the trade, we don't rock it. Scooter is number 1, runs over gurus just for fun. Resilience is never wrong. We ride the storm where we belong. Estate every single
How long in this LOL? Keith. Keith said it. Imagine like the way you said it. It sounded like a dude like sitting at the beach, like just like drinking a Mai Tai, like you're on vacation. You're just like, y'all some crazy motherfuckers. Y'all long in this? I'm chilling. You know what I mean? Like the way you just said that was so casual. You know, like y'all are stupid. That's funny. Y'all long in this? I'm just chilling. I'm just having a drink. Jewish New Year is today? Really? I didn't know there was a thing. Learn something new every day. Yeah, we're some crazy fools. Well, I don't know. At least the squeeze potential's there. The market is squeezing pretty hard. I'm betting that there's no catalyst. That's really the bet is. The market's not going to die. That's what I'm betting on. Like, this is the point where it dies. Just to remind you guys, this is the point where it dies. I'm going to put dies. Like market dies. Die market. This is not the market. This is not German. This is die market. So the idea is I'm so bullish I'm going to bet the market doesn't die. This is the death point right here. So doesn't mean I'm right or wrong, but it means I still take the bet that the bull side tries to hold. And as it's trying to hold, it's not a bad bet. It's a dangerous bet. But contract size small, dangerous bet. It's the way to go. It's an opportunity, the way that I see it. D-Bart. No, that doesn't say Bart. It says D-Bart D. It's German.
every single time. Rocket brains with battle cry. Resilience never bends or breaks. It shapes the edge that fortune takes from bell to bell. We ride the trend that leads the charge until the end. Estate every single
Well, that's brutal, though. Actually, I'm sorry that this is crossed out. I forgot I was talking about that. There's no that the line was obscuring the number. Sorry about that. That's 4,300 in the hole. 2,800 in the hole. Bleh. Not everyone was a winner today. Some of them were. Not all of them were. Let's hit these runners though. Let's let them ride. I'm only being greedy now to get these things up to my target. I'm gonna get 2,000 each one, and they're all green, so I'm all doing all right with these runners. Let the runners run. ES changed every single time. Dude, I knew it, Keith. Keith is like sitting safely on the sidelines and making fun of all of us. That's hilarious. He's like, y'all are stupid. I can hear your condescending tone, sir. He's right. We're fucking nuts, but whatever. He's just sitting there going like this. Like shaking his head at us like, going nuts. That's a, you guys are longing? That's a pad one. Nuts buys Cartier. Well, that's true. Well, I mean, having some casualties today kind of sucks. This one on the screen, the one that's minus 2,800, I'm digging out the hole. It's now minus 2,400. So when you guys see the worst account I got, this is the one I'm fighting. Try to recap because that all happened so fast. I forgot where. Oh yeah, I did have another trade here and it fell there and I doubled down right there. I do remember. I think I did. I can't remember. I had 2 contracts somewhere on the show, and then when I went to grab lunch, and I came back like I don't know, like maybe like 15 minutes. Right? I came back. We're literally down here. I'm like, whoa! And I look at this one, and it's like whatever it was down 4,000. I'm just like, what the heck? And then whatever it was down, I was like, well, shit. And then I just started diving into everything else. I was like, well, one man down. And that's why splitting up your risk is important because, you know, it's not like I had all my accounts in long at that point. Obviously, you know, this was that weird sort of day where I was like pretty straightforward. Nothing happened. We lost the original crash point. We crashed out. Now we're hitting support where the market dies in general. Usually you don't want a cat to happen because the market will fade out pretty hard. So I'm betting that it doesn't happen. Best case scenario, I can get 9 of these accounts green. Once I hit like 4,000, I kind of refuse to trade it further. Even I could win some of it back. I never had that mentality. Usually if I take a big enough loss, when you stage out your risk, if you take a big enough loss, just cut it. You know, let it be the loser for the day. Don't have to have the mentality of like, I have to win it all back or make it all green. I mean, that's the one that's down. That's the one that's down. I'm pretty happy that the account that got 10,000 bucks got 7,000 bucks on top of it today. That's the one I'm trying to go for 100K with. Rockets scared are gonna ride the wave. Yeah, and that's called a daily loss limit. Yes. Yep. I set my own daily loss limit to myself. And I try not to gamble further. I just let myself rest for the day and I come back on and like deal with it later another day. You were green in 7 accounts, a blue 1 account got liquidated at the exact bottom, T-Gent. Bro, that sucks. I feel like your trading day is just like mine. You're trading like so similar to me. One of my accounts hit loss limits, like not like liquidated, but I liquidated it. So had it, you know, that was in the panic too. I was just like, oh god. Ugh. I think when I closed it out, it was probably like right here somewhere, and so it probably would have been 6,000 in the hole had I just held it through. So I'm glad I closed it when I did. It could have been worse. FundedNext. Yeah, we'll do that later. That's how you should blow your accounts, trying to make it all back. I know, right? Like if I was to try to make it all back right now, it's that 4,000 would be like minus 14,000, and then I'll just be crying twice as hard later. So I've got used to like being very strict. And I tell you guys, normally I try to keep my gains between 1,000 and 2,000 bucks, which is pretty normal. And even this one, I'm risking the 4,000, which is a little bigger than I normally do. You guys know me, I keep these tight. 2,000 loss usually and I'm done. So I don't usually let it fall as much as it did. But today I assumed that much because the volatility was there and I was like, I chose to give today a little bit more wiggle room. Normally 2,000 is about where I try to stop on a normal trade, but volatility is high and things got crazy. 4,000 is where I'm choosing to be now. Yeah, that's what rules are for. Stop dumb mistakes. Now you can pay housekeepers to fold your towels. It's hilarious. How's a good time? Now's a good time for runners. I can't make advice to you guys on how y'all can trade this. In all honesty, it's not a smart bet. Markets move like this, it's always smart just to be like, let's see what happens tomorrow, you know? There's obviously a reason something like this happened. Once Powell got done talking, the market just needed a reason to sell off, and it did. So that's why I'm just keeping it small in case it rallies up. If it doesn't, all these accounts are gonna lose $1,000 again. And it'll be a day. So I'm just betting that the market doesn't die. I don't have a good trade plan from here other than I'm betting that it doesn't die, meaning I'm going to be long right here near this pink line and upside down if we lose it. We've got a bunch of clues here. The market's stable-ish, DD band support, monthly hedge dynamic support, catalyst, borderline support. This is all extremely strong right here. S&P has liquidity pocket, also strong. Now you guys know this is EST sandwich trade. We know how sandwich trade works. If this takes off, it goes all the way to there. And that's the X point. Bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull sandwich. Could be a 20-point rip in S&P, and I would literally, if I was scalping this, which I am, but I wouldn't hold any farther than there. That's the best that I hope for. And that's only if we support here. If we start to pick up steam and break the highs from 16, it goes up to 33. Like I said, that's just why I'm keeping it small to kind of whatever chop we're dealing with right now. You got the Monkey Paw song playing. And see how it's like all over the place, up, down, 40 points. The volatility's through the roof. VIX monthly hedge break, highly irrational. My teaching is to sit out. I'm taking a risky bet with small position. Any traditional sense, any prop firms, any trading like that is automatic sit out. When Catalyst is active below this pink line, automatic sit out. See how quickly it moves around? Keeping my position small because of that. All these accounts right now are down close to like 500 and 300 and 200, the ones I'm trading. So I was trying to get those to 2,000. So again, not the best. And I'm hoping the market doesn't die today, but we'll see. Market, please don't die today. Hold the line, don't fade away. What do you guys think, man? Oh, I love these exciting days. They get fun, but they also, you know, they wear on you emotionally. Let's hold that liquidity pocket, man. Best case scenario. Best case scenario to there. Worst case scenario, it's hard to say when a catalyst happens. If we break, it gets bad, like really bad. If we break down in here, S&P goes down to there. There's no support point, maybe. Remember, it's a catalyst, so I'm not going to take any bets on here. Maybe bounce DD, maybe bounce MHP. I'm drawing it red. No bets for me on those losses there. Nasdaq highly irrational will catalyze this to be a death trap. So this is where we're not going to be old Dave with his Knife Catchers Anonymous testament. But I feel like it's appropriate to play the song right now. What do you guys think? Because I love that song. And while we're chilling, oh, we got to get through the rest of the songs. Oh, well, let's just play. Oh, for the rest of the song contest. My bad, y'all. Okay, we got to leave off. So, let's go ahead and run it. I want you guys to vote on the songs. So you're going to say, is this song, we had a whole songs writing competition for people who wrote music. We had hundreds and hundreds of submissions from like, you know, like friggin' comedy song to funny song, dramatic song, opera song, Disney songs. We had all kind of stuff. It's hilarious. Rockskier themed, trading themed, degen themed, cocaine and hookers themed, scammer themed, guru themed. We have all kind of themes. It's been hilarious. Now we've narrowed down the hundreds of songs to literally the last finals. We're going into the finals now. It's been almost like a month of us doing this. And we'll do another one in a couple months if you guys want to have fun. They use AI to write music. It's been really funny. And so we're at the last round of the semifinals. We got maybe like 15 more songs to go through, and then it's finals. We're at like the top 10. So let's start off with an awesome song by the one and only Mr. Condescending himself, making fun of us for being gamblers today. Enjoying his Mai Tai on the beach. Mr. Keith Singleton, my man. Whoosh fan. This is the powerful whoosh fan. This is the one that makes the market move. Y'all crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. He knows. Catalyst activist is crazy. People use Suno. And every time I hear this song, it's so catchy, man. I'm always like, blowing up. Okay. It's a great song. I like it a lot. Whoosh fan blowing up. You get the vote. We're gonna put another song side by side. You vote yes to one or the other or neither. That's the options. Is this song a finalist? You're like Simon Cowell, you're sitting at the table like, the song is awful, I hate the song, I love the song, it's brilliant. You know, whatever you feel, you're that guy pushing the button for finals. You get to choose. Boom, 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 boom. We need to draw it. It's crazy. All right, come on, cat. You guys had fun today. Don't forget to sub to the channel. We're live every single day. You guys can watch my trades, see the chaos pretty much every single day. You have fun here. All right. Keith Singleton, whoosh fan. Make it to the end there. And then we've got the other song, Jeremy B, called Mad Only Longs. You guys get to vote. All you do in the poll, select which song's a finalist, whoosh fan, or Mad Only Longs. You need me a good whooshin'? Long when there's a catalyst. Wow, that's a whooshin'. You feel like we get one more low than up? Problem is the one more low is very bad. If we break through 802 NASDAQ, That low can go down to 700. It could start like it accelerates. So this is a stall point. If it fails and fails and fails and fails, it's like down here because the S&P will be seeking for 6380. So that's basically 30 points. Which is 120 respective points on Nasdaq. So that takes us all the way back down to about 700. So 700, and these are all the same bounce points. And oh, by the way, trying to see which ones they are. Oh, it's this one and 1137, not that one. 1233, yeah, it's that one, this one, and no, and I think this. It's these are the three in FundedNext, and I've got these two in Tradeify. So I got 5 accounts taking the dip here. Runners on them right now.
Everything presents so clearly. You think trading is painless. By design it's made.
Oh, and Jeremy also had a picture for it, by the way. Yeah, this is a really good song. Jeremy's wrote some bangers too. This is slightly Bob Saget, Matt, with his longing only keyboard. Matt has one button on his keyboard, and it's a button to long. This is not looking so hot right now. Oh, this is best case. Worst case. Get y'all's votes in, guys. I like this song. This is a really good tune. Worst case, down here, no bets. I'm not taking any trades down here. If we lose this, I'm out. Because Nasdaq will be a catalyst, and obviously, like, that can create, we know catalyst creates accelerated moves. VVIX goes up. You guys know all the drill there. Catalyst is automatic sit out. You know the rule. Even though it's in Q catalyzed, this would be a special event that I would consider not taking the S&P trades. I wouldn't chase a short or nothing. I wouldn't play it at all. It could just die and then rally. I mean, it's the middle of the move, and we got an hour left in the market. I wouldn't be super adventurous from here. As a matter of fact, I even hate this trade enough that I'm more likely to like just take the loss and be done with it. The runners aren't necessarily picking up any momentum from here. All right, guys, get your votes in. Votes are in. And Jeremy, although his song was an absolute banger, it seems like Whoosh fan Keith Singleton is the winner of the duel. Okay, good job. All right. Good job, Keith. Cool deal. All right. Oops. Oh yeah, the link is broken. That's right. Farina. Oh, that was Farina's song. Okay. Oh, no, not hers. Whose was it? Okay, yeah. Somebody made a note of this. This one song had a broken link. Hold on. Graphic is awesome for stream loading 80s EDM intro song. Stream loading. Okay. Oh, this one right here. Okay. That was Farina's song. Yep. Okay, so I got the link here. Yeah, she posted the thing about it. That's right. I made a note of it. Okay. Okay. Farina's song. Stream loading, like the intro song, basically. It's got a pretty good vibe to it. Yeah, that's yours. I got you. Yeah, I remember your message. I had a note about it. I had a note that I said when I get to it, I'll take care of it. It's not looking good today, guys. The song's a jam. It just fits a stream. It sounds like a song you'd hear on a stream. It's great, like the stream loading or just intro or like intermediate music. Around Tuesday, let's hope for it, man. Good song, Farina. Good song. Okay. So go with Sir Darb's Are You Ready to Ride?
Mission Control, do you copy? All systems green. T-minus 60 seconds. Engines roaring, charts aligned, countdowns ticking, it's showtime. Let's go, chat, the signal's clear. Rocket scooters launches head.
Yeah, so losing 6707 is a big deal. And look, see, there's that catalyst. All right, look at that Nasdaq pop drop right there. You see how the catalyst is really big? You see these crazy big candles come out of that? That's what happens at this pink line. Anything can happen. So a little liquidity sweep there. This song is like, it sounds like Poison, like from the 80s. Sir Darb has a bunch of songs in the finals. He's definitely one of the folks here that had like a lot of good submissions. So something's picking up some steam right now. That's some pretty nasty volume. And hedge break and S&P is part of the cause of that. And the Nasdaq, this is where the market becomes extremely illiquid if we break this catalyst. Market can die. There's the volume. This is exactly the level, 802. A risk interval off the anchor point at the top of the move, right at the open. Get your votes in, guys. Are you ready to ride?
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I hate days like this. It always set me on the edge. I still don't, I'm still not too afraid to take it, but days like this can get pretty scary. Like even the last hour could just be like where it dumps. If you have a catalyst in the last hour that goes into expiration, it can flush and then rally, which is what I think might end up happening. So
lifting off together, straight into the sky. Are you ready to ride? Lock it in or die. Chat on the ball, we're cleared for flight. Are you ready to ride?
Are you ready to ride?
Are you ready to Are you ready to ride?
Hey, y'all, get y'all's votes in.
Are you ready to ride?
Are you ready to ride? All right. 10, 9, 8, 7. Countdown to get your votes in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats, Farina. You are the winner of that battle. Good job. Appreciate the work you put into that, and the graphics are really cool too. All right. Freaking lower DD band, dude. Should just like give up on this. I said about 1500. I'll trim. This is it. This is like that level. So cat is active, and it's risky to be trading right here. Go to finals here. I have enough buffer to hold this, but I'm still not loving it. Okay. Okay. When there is a catalyst, hold on, wait, no, that one, hold on. We need to do. Oh, it's hard to compare because there's a lot of song here. Rocket scooter. Whoosh fan blowing. Whoosh fan blowing up. So catchy. Hey guys, we're at the end. I don't know which one I compare these with. Okay, so we have the Unstoppable song. Okay. All right. Oh, you guys are seeing the graphic though. Look at the top of the Discord here.
He's just a shadow in the night. Screen glow burning in his eyes. Tick by tick, the market bites. Dreams are heavy, but he won't compromise. Told him, kid, you'll never last. This game will break you. Moves too fast, but he's holding strong. He won't let go.
I'm just like manually replaying this video. He's unstoppable. It's like Sheena Easton. Yeah, it definitely has that. It has that feel to it.
He's unstoppable. Nothing in his way. Rising from the shadow to the break of day. With every move, the future's in his hands. Rocket scooter power. Now he takes his stand. He's unstoppable. No more fear, no more chains. Every setback fuels the flames. The grind was hard, but the dream was real.
The one thing about AI music
The power, the steel.
is like the singer is never the same. Like I've noticed that some of the songs, it sounds like it's a woman singing at the beginning and it's like a man singing at the end. Like
In his soul. The walls are closing in, but the fire's alive.
that clearly sounds like a female to me, but then the tone starts to shift sometimes.
No more chains. Every setback fuels.
That sounds very like Bruno Mars like,
But he's holding strong. No chance.
but like see right there, and it's a female voice, so that like the tone shifts even though there's a harmony behind it. Listen for it. Power. It's female, right? So like it shifts between guy and girl. I've noticed some of the songs sound like that. AI is like getting it right, but that also has a couple of little flaws there. The singer is never consistent. All right, that's Unstoppable. Great song. Problem is there's nothing for it to compete with. So because of its order, it gets a golden buzzer to the next round. I'm gonna push it through because there's nothing. Everything else is like different categories. That's a good song. You guys probably voted it through. He's unstoppable. All right, next. Okay, let's go to final. Oh, here it is. Send me. Okay. Next one. All right, this dang song. When I take little shorts.
Baby short spirals do 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 do. Baby short Q rest do do do. Baby short. Baby short dee dee do 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 do. Baby short spirals do 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 do. Markets cook Q rest do do do.
Markets cooked. Q-res do do do. Eat blue chews.
Make a deal, dee dee do 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 do. Make a deal, spirals do 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 do. Buy low, sell high, do do do. Baby short. Baby short, dee dee do 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 do. Baby short, spirals do 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 do. Markets cook, Q rest do do do. Eat blue chew. Oh, let's trade away. Baby short will win the day. Rockets cooler It's cook, cure, rest, do-do-do. Eat, blue, chew. Baby short, dee-dee-doo-doo.
How am I gonna do this?
Baby short, spirus, do-do-do-do. Baby short, cures, do-do-do. Baby short.
I kind of like, I'm gonna be a wuss about this trade. I think I just want to close out and not risking the close. Catalyst is active, consolidating lower. I'm probably gonna call it and just take what I can get and be done with it. I'm gonna close it out. And I don't have any more I'm gonna be doing here. Baby short, do 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 do. All right, so I'm gonna trade this one if I want to do anything. All right, so that one I'm gonna call it. Be done with it. Okay, so baby short, do do do. To go with Australian folk song.
Morning bell rings, screens are set. Coffee's gone cold, no breakout yet. Charts look dead, the tape won't sing. And Q's barcode, and it ain't doing a thing. Flat as a billabong, stuck in the heat. Dreaming runners will never meet. Please Trump tweet something, move this mess. We're drowning in chop, made nothing but stress. P-nails red,
This is like the funny category, so both and neither.
bad scalps, and none of them.
But I'm both and either.
Dogs asleep, the room's gone still. Propay our dreams just over the hill. Traders gone lunching, maybe on holiday. I'll go bots laughing, you'll bleed today. Breakout traders tearing their hair, waiting for a move that just isn't there. Flat as a billabong, made it to crime. 2 hours wasted, not worth a dime. Wake up and Q, give us a fight, or I'll pack up early and call it a night. Flat as a billabong, stuck in the heat. Dreaming of runners will never meet. Please Trump tweet something, move this mess. We're drowning in chop, made nothing but. Flat as a billabong, made it to crime.
Need to apply for the song, yeah.
Worth a dime. Wake up and Q, give us a
This is the comedy category, so this is like its own category. You could pick both in this category, or neither as well. Blah, 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 bow, 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 bow. All right, get y'all's votes in for this one. Ugh. Yeah, get y'all's votes in, guys. Oh wait, you can still do the baby shark still. Get y'all's votes. Eat blue, choose, do 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 do. All right, all right, all right. And the votes are in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If this category, if both and the song add up to 50%, it goes through. It looks like today's winner is Flat as Billabong. Although Baby Shore was really hilarious and funny. That made us laugh, and it will still make us laugh. We'll probably play it when we want to annoy everybody. It's a good song. Okay. Oops. This goes in my category. Okay. Couple more. Hold on. All right. Tech Trader, come on, let's ride.
Perfect levels like constellations. Not quite prediction. Just calculation.
The fans keeping the market afloat, though.
I can see where the future lies. Hedge pressure calls to you and me. Let's ride, let's ride. Rocket scooter shifts the tide. Let's ride. Break the system from inside. Emotionless. These probabilities collide. I must confess, I'd be lost without you by my side. Let's ride.
That fan's game changer. What's up, Adrian? Yeah. Market's on like kind of the edge of disaster here, so we're kind of like drifting off into like a not so great spot.
Just pure affliction, measured risk and cold conviction.
I think I'm just gonna watch into close and not do much else.
I can see where the future lies. Hedge pressure calls to you and me.
Actually, no, I want to take the Nasdaq long. Let me do the. I do want to long the Nasdaq and the close. Whatever. Let me do it. Let me take the risk and my FundedNext.
Break the system from inside. Emotionless. These probabilities collide. I must confess, I'd be lost without you by my side.
I got in just in time on that. Okay. It's my FundedNext.
Let's rock within the volume. Answers to expose. Where price goes, nobody fucking knows. But we might just have the cheat code. Let's ride.
Hey, what's up?
Rocket scooter shift the tide.
Good joke, too.
Let's ride. Break the system
Where you going?
from inside. Emotionless.
Peace out.
Oh,
Where's the bad boy right here?
oh, wait, what?
This bad boy right here.
You're a bad boy there.
I was working out yesterday. Cool. Have fun. See you later. Come here. Oh, it's like 40. Oh, it's still only 2:15. Dang, I thought the market was closed. Here I am thinking we had 10 minutes till market close. We got like 50. This song is cool, right? This is Tech Traders. Yeah, the song is cool as shit. I dig it. All right. That versus Tech Trader's other song, Catalyst. You guys got to pick between the two. Same guy wrote both songs, believe it or not. He's freaking champ. Let's go. Hell yeah. All right. Okay, now with this crazy risky move here. All right, I'm gonna take the profit on those scalps too. All right, whatever. Close those out. Man, that was great. I literally, when I decided to jump in, I got 20 points. I'm just hands off now. Done. Oh. Done. First one was the Let It Ride. It was sort of like a kind of like retro EDM, sort of like synthwave, sort of dubby, synthy, sort of. It's hard to describe as unique, and it's cool. This is a song when there's a catalyst, by the way. That's what makes this one useful. All that master betting made my arms swell? No, just one arm. Oops, sorry, let me do it. That's a cool song. What's the best FundedNext plan? Experienced trader. So if you want to go for, basically your two options are basically, do you want smaller tiered payouts or do you want the ability to go uncapped with a big payout? That's the main difference between the two of them. The smaller tiered plan is 1 day to pass and 3 days to payout, but it's small payouts. The larger legacy plan is 3 days to pass, 5 days to payout, but then you get half your balance, whatever it ends up being. Well, this market just stuck here, huh? All right, I'm not going to scalp this anymore at this level, by the way. That was my last attempt at this. I was in and out. That was good. Market is hating itself right now. What a crazy day. 'Cause it did the same shit earlier and the same shit today. History repeating itself. I don't think it's going to try to reward any bulls today. All right, guys, get y'all's votes in. Tech Trader wrote both of these songs. Oops. Okay, ending the poll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unanimous. Both songs are great, but people liked your first one. Come on, let's ride first. Very nice. Now we come down to the final. Tech Trader. So many bangers in the finals, man. It's crazy how many good songs you've written. There's so many he's got to compete against himself. All right, we've done Baby Shark, we've done this. So we have this one, which is Rogue of the Lamb versus Rogue of the Lamb. Him against himself. Okay. So I'm going to play one of the three songs because they're like lo-fi. It's its own category. I think it's an honorable mention. Because we always have like lo-fi jams kind of playing on the stream.
Hedge pressure held in the prime. Boundaries
Pretty cool.
drawn and levels aligned. Liquidity flows, the signals gleam, guiding me steady into the dream. In the chaos we rise, rocket scooter the right, every edge of flame, every map a guide. When the noise breaks loud, I still hear the call, every single time we survive the fall.
So there's three songs in the package.
The signals gleam,
It's sort of like chill, lo-fi hip-hop beats. ETF is not honoring your code like before. It only works on a handful of accounts now. They got weird with the codes, so it's like the code only works for some of the accounts now. It's like I said, it's really hard to. This version's your favorite?
every single time we survive the fall.
It kind of reminds me of Bon Iver, dude. This is why I like it. I'm like a huge fan. No, it's like they don't. It's weird how they're doing it to where like the code only applies to some of the accounts. Like I said, they just don't have consistency with it. It seems like it changed every once in a while. It's really hard to follow. It's that's why you guys get confused. I know. I've told them about it.
Resilience hums beneath it all.
Like I got to go through a lot of effort just to let you guys know. Only the ones mentioned at that bottom banner
In the chaos we rise,
are the ones it works for.
every edge of flame, every map a guide. When the noise breaks loud, I still hear the call.
Yeah, it's Kaizen stuff. Here's the thing, Kaizen. When you guys have it like that, everyone gets confused, and it's impossible to have people work off of memory. If they can't keep, even if it doesn't apply a discount, the code still needs to go through with the explanation on the website that's like, hey, it doesn't apply to this product. Like right now, the customers have no education, right? They just go through and hit a failure point and no one told them something. That's like a UX nightmare. So for us and me, I get to deliver my words to somebody that's driving or listening at their work, and they're going to hear a one-liner like, hey, use code Rocket Scooter. They're going to remember that. And they're always going to remember that. But if there's special instructions every other week, you're going to lose people. So try to make sure you guys like, y'all could do that would be very cool. On the website should educate the customer like, hey, you know, this code only works for these accounts, A, B, C, D, E. Or this doesn't apply a discount to this particular package, but the affiliate still gets credit or something, you know, because people are really just supporting me. And they'll be like, well, I don't want to use ETF because your code doesn't work, as you see. So just remember that. That'll be helpful. And speaking of, guys, don't forget, you know, an ETF does have a really awesome deal going on right now. It's 90% off 3 of the accounts. Code does work for it. It's the one step into the day, and Diamond Hands give you 90% off. Like, you guys are sort of fed up with Apex. You know, they're having an 80% off sale. ETFs is 90% off. And the Fast Track is very much a similar account. It's the same flavor. So if you guys like Apex, or you liked Apex and you're kind of over it, ETF is a great alternative. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah, they reduced accounts to 5 from 20 to be like more at par with what most of the prop space is doing right now. That was a great song. Both of those are pretty cool. So those are all Rogue of the Lamb, and he's competing against Rogue of the Lamb. But yeah, so if you guys want to check out what ETF is offering, some of the accounts, as Kaizen has said, it doesn't work for Fast Track or DTF or resets until they have a promo. So if there's no promo, then, you know, obviously, you know, there's no way to give us credit unless you click a link or something. So just keep that in mind. There's a link in the description below. Some extra instructions for you guys. Okay. Next song is there's a song 3 songs, song 1. Rogue made another song set called Get On Rocket Scooter. And this is the one that we voted. So this is Rogue against Rogue. You guys know how it's gonna close. I can delete all this, right? I pretty much taught you guys what's gonna happen. So y'all know by now. This is just danger area right here. Hopefully we hold inside of here. Yeah, dude. The songs are just great, man. Like, you guys, all your prompts and how you edit, arrange, and all this stuff. Y'all are really talented, guys. Rocket scooter.
LPs rest where the volume hides.
Get y'all's votes in on this one, guys.
Shifting tides through the storm, the calm I feel. Rocket scooter steers the In the chaos we rise, rocket scooter to ride every edge of blade, every map a guide. When the noise breaks loud, I still hear the call every single time we ascend the fall. Rocket scooter, let's go, get on rocket scooter. Let's go, get on rocket scooter. Let's go, get on rocket scooter. Let's go, get on.
All right, guys. Okay. Looks like the votes are in. As unfortunate as it is, it looks like because it's the finals, we got neither. Both of the songs were good. I liked them both, but they were both like 34, 50. Neither got the win. But never fear, Rugged Lamb has a bajillion songs in the finals, honestly. So it's not like we're upset because he's not out yet. There's probably a bunch of others still there. Okay. We got one more song. Or maybe two. We've done short, countless songs, so 5 song line plus belong. Oh, okay. One more. We already played this one. Oh, I think we already did the Sir Darbs.
Yeah, the chart was soft.
That we already did. Yep, that's it. So we're done. We already played the Blue Pill hip hop. Okay, that's it. Y'all chose show all the DOMs over that. Okay. Wow, that's it, y'all. So the winners so far, let's show, not the winners, but let's go ahead and like give some honorable mentions to the finalists. Here's your finalists. That's it. These are the songs made to the finals. Let's go all the way to the start, right? This is the second song competition we've had, song submission, here. And I mean, like, there was a lot. I mean, a lot. Like, it goes really far back. And this was just over the last month. I mean, it goes far back. And these are all from this month. From August. I mean, it keeps going and going and going. We had hundreds of submissions. Many hundreds. We've went through quarterfinals, semifinals, and now the finals. And the finals, we've got every single time. Ghetto Boys Meet Gorillas, the Junkie Shit song, the ones that you guys love with Blue Chew and IDOC. The Liquidity Pocket song, Whoosh Fan. Market Please Don't Die Today, Please Go Down on Me, Maybe I'm Wrong, I'm Masking Smart Money, Hold the Line, Knife Catchers Anonymous. Updates in Real Time, the 80s from Tech Trader, Stock Market Wizard, Scooter Vibes, which is the reggae song, Let's fucking go. Rock scooter emojis. Let it ride by tech. Whoosh fan. Keith's whoosh fan. Rock scooter to the sky. The unstoppable song. Come on, let it ride. These are your final, maybe top 20 in the finals. Dang. The funny category, we had slightly fatter Matt Saga against Show Me That P&L. Nature's Margin Call. Show All the Doms. And Flattest Billabong. In the giveaway category, we have Giveaway Bonanza, and this one just says Tech Trader. Oh, type it once. And these are your 3 finalists for that. This was crazy. It took like a month to get through this. That's crazy. We are at the finals. I got to figure out how I want to do the finals. Is there any reason I don't promote the futures desk other than you're limited with scaling the number of accounts you can own? No, futures desk is great. They don't pay me to promote them. It's pretty much it. As far as like when it, comes to like advertising or whatever, we just like them in general. So I don't like, go extreme miles to like promote them or anything, but I do like them. That's why we have a code with them, and I think they're a great firm. So I support them because I like them. But yeah. There's a million firms out there that are all, affiliates have codes for a bunch of them. I'm not a person that just has a million codes. If I have a code, it's because I like them. If I talk about them a lot, it's because I get a stipend or a jack, or they buy advertising or they buy ads or whatever. General marketing. But I don't work with anybody I don't like. Futures Desk is the one exception. They're the people that I don't have a relationship with too detailed or too deep relationship, but I just like the firm. I love what they offer. Their program is really good. So that's coming from my heart. They don't pay me. So I'm saying that for reals. Yes, sir. What beat out Bear Market Blues? Oh, I remember when that happened. There were 2. I remember because it was the one we had to get rid of one of the 2. It was, let me find it. I remember when we lost it. It was last time. It was. It was Market Blues. Let me find out. I do remember when it lost. I know, because that's one of our favorite ones. Let's see if I can remember it. No, in the finals. I'm sorry. Bear Market Blues went against. I have to look it up. Let's fucking go. Press your emojis. I think it went against LFG. That's the one I think it went against. LFG, Bear Market Blues, Let It Ride. Market Scooter emoji, yeah. Final works emojis, Let It Ride. Let's fucking go. Wait. Market Scooter emojis. No, let's fucking go. And then Bear Market Blues will be after that. Let It Ride. Tech. Come on, let's ride. I swear it went against something. It would have been yesterday. You might want to go check for me. I hope I remember we went through it. Bear market blues. 80s on a win streak. McAway hour. Double check yesterday's stream, bud, and let me know. No, it... Now I'm confused, because, like, did it? I'm sure we played it, but... No. I want to make sure that I didn't forget it. I do want to know what it went up against, because I remember playing it, but I could be remembering two times ago. Oh, yeah, giveaway. Oh, shit. I forgot. Sorry, guys. Been busy. All right. We're going to celebrate with 2 25K rapid accounts with FundedNext. Thank you guys for that. I forgot to mention it. Type FundedNext in chat, please. Oh, my bad. Updated P&L screenshot. Sorry about that. Yeah, let me get you. I just saw your comment there. All right, this is where we were. Take note. This is where we were. Remember, I grabbed the long and got lucky on that and closed out. So some of these went up. This one went up earlier. This one is the one I closed out on stream and I was like, I'm done with it. So this one's down and this one's out. So this is where we are now to close out the day. This is the final. This is the final. Not a bad day. So, my bad. I'm flat. I'm across the board flat. So, not bad though. So, look at schooner emojis. I hope I didn't post in the wrong place. That's what I'm scared about. Darb, if you want to check and make sure that I did play it, it would have been in the middle of yesterday's afternoon stream. I think. Yeah. 19. Okay. Show all the DOMs, bear market blues. Show all the DOMs made it. Medium, let it ride, man. Time ahead, 80s on the win streak. Actually, they would be at the end of yesterday's, and I think bear market blues I might have played against something else towards the end of the stream yesterday. Yeah. A double check for me. I'll pass it through if we didn't play it. Double check, yeah. No, dude, I care that much. I definitely care. Maybe somebody in chat can do the work if y'all want. Did I play bear market blues yesterday? If anybody has, hold on, because it's by far it was one of our favorite tunes. I'm just afraid that I got busy and I got distracted trading for it to put it through. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Well, there are 21 songs. I know, dude. It's so many songs. We're in the middle of trading. There's a million things that happen. Honestly, we could round off. Honestly, I don't think anybody would be against us passing it through. It was a fan favorite. That's for sure. I'm almost certain I played it, but I don't remember.
Those bear market blues, and they're hitting hard today.
You guys remember that song, right? Okay. What I can do is in the sure. I'm gonna assume that you guys have been paying attention to your own songs, and to give y'all honor for it, it's definitely a banger and everyone loves it. And I'll put it through because that makes it an even final because we have an odd number anyways. We definitely we'd have to handle the odd number anyway. So now we have 22. Okay, cool. I pushed it through. I'll golden buzzer it. That way you don't have to go watch me talk for 2 hours to find it. It was versus win streak. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. If it was, let me know. I'll put it there for now until if you guys prove me otherwise. So. No, trust me, guys. You know how distracted I am. ADHD, Matt. You know this shit happens. Okay. MOC just kicked on active. I'm gonna spin the wheel for FundedNext 225K Rapids. You guys check that out. Oops, my bad. Profit Pulse. All right. Winner number 2. Colorful vibes. All right, you two. All right, the winners of today's giveaway, Color Vibes, Profit Pulse. What you need to do, go to my Discord in the description below. Click that link. Go to our contest channel. You'll talk to an admin. His name is Slacks. Send him a message with your FundedNext account ID. So like create an account with FundedNext, your email that goes with it. Send him a message. He will and also send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID from inside your account. That way we know that it's you. And we will give you guys y'all's accounts. Y'all cash, give your accounts probably in like a day or two. You'll see them pop up and he'll get them squared away as soon as you can. Thanks for entering the giveaway, you guys, and being part of the stream, part of the community. We're going bigger, better than ever every single day. You get to watch some live trades. This was a great trading day. I've got nothing into close. This is flat. I flattened out earlier. Kind of sucks. I could have grabbed something on that move there, but that's okay. I committed to just closing out. One account hit a casualty. The other one, this was the one that was like minus, I don't know, 2,800 or something, or whatever it was. When I closed it out earlier, then it just ended up at 24, whatever. I was like, I kind of don't want it anymore. That was the one that did this and did this, and I was like, I'm done with it. Or this one. And then whatever, I was trading NASDAQ, so I closed that one out and then just chilled. And looks like I missed out on the MOC run, but that's all right. This is bear bull sandwich. So here to there is a possible move. 6 minutes left. Good night from the Maldives. Good night, man. Have a good night. End of the day close. Boring. So what is this? I think these two cancel each other. This is like basically almost 7. So let's see what I got today. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 10. 17. 18. 19. 20. 1, 22, 4. 23, 4. 23, 9. Minus 7. So is that 22? Oh, not bad. Dang, that's another good day. That's better than it could be. I got went to lunch and came back and saw this. I got kind of lucky that I wasn't too overly committed to that. Tough day, but we survived. It's emoji strategy. Creating games non-stop. Hey, because of the FundedNext stuff that kind of like took over chat, can you guys do me a favor? Some of y'all had some comments about ETF. I was just going to give them some feedback. Y'all were saying, whoever said anything about elite trader funding in the last 10 or 20 minutes, I'd love to send them your feedback. When I was talking about the code not working and stuff, can you guys really quickly, just so I can take a screenshot of it and send it, let me know y'all's feedback about ETF, that because they're always looking to improve and hear what you guys have to say. That's the first prop firm I ever got into. They've always treated us very well and been very generous, and that's my first live account I ever got. like issues with the code and all that. Like Waykid said something. Okay. Yeah, if you guys don't use them, and maybe drop a comment as to why you don't use them. I'd like to gather a little bit of info. Yeah, I like them too. Every prop is different for different tastes and different flavors. Everybody has their flavor, but in general, I kind of want to see if there's just some general consistency between like something people don't like and they're, going to make a recommendation to them to improve on it. Do I know why all the props use Rise? They're doing a bank transfer? Yeah, I don't know. Like, Rise is like a crypto thing, right? So that's like the one thing I don't know why that is. It's a regulatory thing. Is it a simple? Probably because it's global, and I think like props being global and that it's easier to transfer money with better exchange rates. I think when you go into crypto, that part I'm not really too sure about. If it's a regulatory thing, if it's I don't know too much. Maybe somebody here might know. Anyways, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm out. Time to go. Love you guys. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Same time, same place, same stuff. And I appreciate you guys being here supporting the stream.